Adding tags to your YouTube channel will help you get more views. By telling Google what your YouTube channel is about, you'll have a much better chance of appearing in the search results or in those suggested videos. By default, your YouTube channel will have no tags, so you do need to add them manually. To do that, you want to come up and click on your channel icon and then come down into Creator Studio. Once inside, come down to the left-hand sidebar and click on Channel, and then come down into the Advanced section. It's in here that you want to add in your channel keywords, and you really want to make them relevant to the videos that you are putting out. For example, if I had a channel about cooking, I could put in things like cooking, recipe, meals. Each keyword that you put in, you want to separate by a comma. Nothing needs to be capitalized. And a great tip is that there's no limit to the amount of keywords or tags that you put in. So you can just put in as many as you think that are relevant. Once you're done, you just want to come down and click on Save. So that action has been saved. Now it's your turn. Come into the Creator Studio and the Advanced section under your channel and add those tags to your channel so you can get more views.